Hi, stars! Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Long time no see us, right?
I know.
So today we would like to pronounce the name of our channel. Some people don't know how to pronounce it.
Exactly.
It's called Twintous.
Twintous.
One of our friends even called Twintous.
Twintous. Oh my god, it was so funny.
So now that we have that out of the way, we'd like to tell you what we are making today.
Okay, stars. Today we are going to be making macaroni jollof.
Jollof. Come. Let's go and show you how to
Very
prepare
easy
it.
and simple dinner recipe.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so here are your necessary ingredients for your jollof macaroni. Start first by prepping your veggies and set them aside. Go ahead and fry your minced meat, and also when once that is fried, fry your tomato and go in with your onions. Pour in your tomato paste and allow it to fry for a few minutes. Add your necessary ingredients, added curry, thyme, and stir for a few minutes. In a pot, boil your macaroni and let it boil for a few minutes. When once your macaroni is parboiled, you pour it into your sauce you made earlier and stir to combine. Stir properly and add in your veggies finally and give that one final stir, stars. Look at that yummy delicious macaroni. Would you try this? Let us know in the comment section. So stars, please, if you enjoyed watching this video, kindly give us a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.